So this trip we're doing a little bit of a Pilsner shootout with 4 random Pilsners. Some American, some European, some old world, some brand new. Just to check out the differences, the similarities. There's different interpretations on the style, as well as some classic examples. And see where we are. So stay tuned and watch each one of these videos and see what we thought of each one.
All right, first review of the trip here. As you can tell, it's nice out, snowy. It's supposed to snow later on. Hopefully it actually happens. So we're out here at the Clear Cut. So we got Boulevard Pilsner. They're from Kansas City, Missouri. The Boulevard Brewing Company, of course. This is a gold award winning in 2010. So it's 20 IBUs, 4.8% alcohol. So we'll see how good this is.
Yep. 2010 World Beer Cup Gold winner. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. There wasn't a whole lot of information about what kind of hops and malt goes into it. I don't expect it to be super complex, you know, from a standpoint of like ingredients. It just says it's an American style Pilsner, smooth, easy drinking. Beautiful golden color.
Mm-hmm. Still has some head on it.
Yeah.
I'm assuming that's about half. Smells kind of sweet.
Has a little bit of a sweetness taste to it.
It does.
It's interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Very malty.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's got a little of that Czechoslovakian flavor in it too. Kind of like a Pilsner or Kel has that sort of caramely kind of aspect to it. Nice and light, real dry in the finish.
Mm-hmm.
Just kind of straightforward. It reminds me a little of the cream ale we had.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the caramel color, you can see a little maroon in there too, like.
Yeah, mahogany, almost brownish.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Kind of.
It's a pretty beer.
Yeah, it is.
Maybe a little darker than I even would have thought it would be.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, for what it is.
Yeah.
Not bad, yeah.
No, light, caramely, malty, super smooth.
Yeah.
God.
It's got a nice, that sweet kick and stuff. It'd
Yeah.
fucking go great with some spice foods.
Yeah, it would. It would be good with that. It would also be good with just like really, really light, summery things. Like sometimes we talk about, you know, grilled chicken or grilled shrimp salads and stuff like that. I think it would go really well with that too. This would be great with summery food for sure. I don't see it going like with, you know, any kind of heavy meats or anything.
Well, it'd probably, you know, maybe pork ribs or something like.
Well, but barbecue type stuff, it might be okay.
Yeah.
The thing is it's so light, it would probably lend itself to just about anything. But it's not going to complement things that are very overly spiced or very strong. It's not going to really cut through that, you know. So it's not it's not going to complement those foods.
Right.
It'd probably be good with just about anything because of how light it is.
Yeah.
But I see it with just kind of the lighter sort of grilled, the chickens, lighter meats, you know.
Fish.
Salads, fish, absolutely. Shrimp, clams. It'd be really good with a bucket of clams.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah. I like it. Pretty good.
Yeah, agreed.
Yeah, I've never had that before, so.
Malty, smooth, nice. Not a ton of booze in it either. I mean, 4.8%, you could have several. I mean, that's like drinking a Hams, you know?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Not even quite. Fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a good job.
Yeah, well, that's why they won the award, I guess.
says there's some hop character in there that I'm just not getting. I'm not getting any hop character to it at all. I'm not getting any hop flavor or nose aroma really to it. It's well balanced though, but it's malty, as a true like Pilsner should be. They say it's an American style Pilsner, probably just because of an American lager yeast, but
yeah,
it tastes more continental, more European, more Czech, like true Pilsner to me. Really, I like it.
That's awesome.